My video guide will give you instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware that is known as Rook, R-O-O-K. The ransomware is called like that, most likely because it adds a special extension that is called Rook to the files that are encrypted by this particular ransomware. So the video will demonstrate to you what exactly this ransomware does. Unfortunately, the internet is never a safe place, and you may visit some hacked or compromised websites that may inject the ransomware into your system. For this reason, it is always mandatory that your computer is properly protected against sorts of malware or ransomware attacks. Now, before the ransomware attack, definitely you are able to open the files without any problems at all. But as I said, due to some vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, the ransomware may inject the system and start almost immediately encrypting the files. So you can now clearly see that some of the files, all the files have been encrypted by this particular ransomware. The special Rook extension was added to the files and people cannot open the data anymore. Removing this Rook extension, however, does not decrypt the file. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the ransom, and it tells them to contact the criminals using these email addresses. However, paying the ransom is a serious mistake. We strongly advise that you never pay the ransom because there is no guarantee that you would get your files recovered. Now, what we recommend you to do is to immediately remove this ransomware. First thing you can do is to go to the task manager, then look for all suspicious processes that might be active. If there are some processes with long random names, you need to end their tasks to stop the further file encryption. Now, I recommend you to also do the following. You need to download this special program that will help you to remove this ransomware fully from the system. Go to the File Explorer, select C drive or other system drive, then go to Program Files, choose Internet Explorer as probably the only available browser in this case. Then go to the website Combo Cleaner to download Combo Cleaner antivirus. Once again, combocleaner.com is the name of the website. Use this green download Combo Cleaner button to download the software from. So let us do that. Download Combo Cleaner installer, run the installer. Then you need to wait until the program gets completely installed. And after that, you need to implement some tricks to start the program, because most likely you will not discover any desktop icon of Combo Cleaner because of this ransomware. So let us start the program, and I'll show you how this can be done. Go to the C drive again, select Program Files, Combo Cleaner folder, then start Combo Cleaner directly through this particular location, and it will help you to detect and delete this Rook ransomware effectively. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on anti-ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the remove all threads button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.